The development of the customer-specific friction stir welding process starts with the CAD data of the customer's component, as well as the requirements this component has to meet. For example, that it is media tight and crash-proof. In particular, in the automotive, aerospace, rail transport, and consumer electronics sector, these high-quality joints enable innovation, such as in electromobility. Question number 1. Is friction stir welding the right process for this application? After reviewing geometrics and material pairings, the feasible process parameters and the welding speed are set up accordingly. Furthermore, friction stir welding also allows optimization of the process chain. Our approach is interdisciplinary, which means that we take a very close look at our customer's production chain with its pre- and post-processes. Each component and production process is unique. Thanks to a decade of experience and our awarded innovation power, we will find an optimal component solution and an individual concept for the equipment. For this purpose, we start the close cooperation with our customers at an early stage. We also are pleased to support you with prototypes and samples. Our quality department evaluates the welding seams for its metallurgical and geometric properties, as the friction stir welding process is mainly used for sophisticated components. Based on these results and the constant exchange with our customers, we start the virtual machine design, which finally leads to realization on our shop floor. The performance of the equipment is validated in shop tests. After a short installation phase, the equipment is ready for operation on site. With our global network and sites all around the world, we support our customers not only during commissioning, but throughout the entire life cycle of the machine. Our holistic approach for projects, with focus on the needs of our customers, has always been our philosophy. This allows our customers' production to be high-performing and innovative in the future.